Welcome in, kick your shoes off, friend. We all broke in different places, still we here again. Yeah. Jimmy sitting on the swing couch in the backyard, old out chairs, ash in the fire jar. We the kids who never fit the schoolyard. Now we pass a ladder like a calling card. Talk cheap, but tonight we talk deep. Drama in a solo cup, secrets we keep. Laugh till we cry and cry till we breathe. Every sad story wears a cutoff tee. Welcome to Misfit Island Group Therapy, where we sell, medicate, and celebrate clarity. Smoking, drinking, overthinking till it sets us free. If you a little too much, you can sit by me. Welcome to Misfit Island Group Therapy. Broken but together, feel like family. Raise that glass for the hurt you never let them see. If you a little too much, you can sit by me.
Yeah, I don't have enough ass.
Sarah on the porch talking about her old man. Says she only trusts smoke in her own hand. Mikey off meds trying to find a soft land. Says his head like a freight train, no plan. We don't judge, we just not let it all pour. Every ounce fine, dry ride on the floor. Cussing at the sky, leaning on the screen door. Healing ain't neat, it's a thrill. Welcome to Misfit Island Group Therapy, where we sell, medicate, and celebrate clarity. Smoking, but you can see Misfit Island Group Therapy. Broken but together feel like family. Toast to every scar they said was tragedy. If you a little too much, you can sit by me. Yeah, we ain't doctors, we just honest. Swapping war stories like a promise. If a word is out here, we'll trade your fear for a cheap cold beer. Welcome to Misfit Island Group Therapy, where we sell, medicate, and celebrate the clarity. Smoking, drinking, overthinking till it sets us free. If you a little too much, you can sit by me. Welcome to Misfit Island Group Therapy. Broken but together feel like family. Hit that link, pull up a seat digitally. If you a little too much, you can sit by me. Sit by me. Sit by me.
Yeah, I like that. But I need to sand it a little bit, so I'm going to put the rust out over here. There we go. And I can grind that down to smooth it out.
Deck on the table,
And the rest will be.
empty chairs humming with the ghosts of past tense. Clock on the counter blinks another late hour. We shuffle the same old stories, wearing the same old frowns. Residency got us waiting, cards in our hands, hearts in our throats. This was supposed to be something, now it's just jackets, stale jokes. Residency got us fading from that fire we swore would stay. We were ready to lose it all, ready to drift away. Earrings on coasters, laugh that don't reach our eyes. Someone keeps saying, deal me in when they arrive. We talk about last winter, that miracle river card. Now the only thing drawn out is this long, slow so far. Residency got us waiting. Residency got us waiting.
Dark smoke rising, another claim in the night. Grim smile spread darker than the starless sky. Play the game, not the illness lie. Fear in my veins, can't shake it off. Sinful cries echo stuck in this trough. Darkness spreads, flames came in their eyes. Hatred fuels the cage.
Stacks on the desk, silver and sleep, little velvet trays, days I can't read. Lamp on low, he's lost in the shine. Says, look at this mid-mark like it's frozen time. Every coin got a story, he remembers them all. We just start laughing, then we hear him call. Y'all talk too much while he's rolling through those dimes and such, hitting home his madness. Down every touch, he's the quiet one, but he runs this room as such. Clicking keys, counting coins, saying y'all talk too much. Badge on his shirt, name on the door. He can fix your whole world with a line of code. Server room hums like a low bass tone, but he's happy as with that old copper glow. We start up a story, he just shakes his head, spins that quarter on the table, then he looks and says, I'll talk too much while he's rolling through those dimes and such, hitting home his manners and down every touch. He's the quiet one, but he runs this room as such. Clicking keys, counting coins, saying y'all talk too much. Nickels in order, pennies by year. Got a little binder like a map of all his years. We're loud in the background. He smiles, but he'll still fall. Y'all talk too much. Talk too much. Yeah. But you still ride with us.
Whose horns start to glow.
Sun up, hood up, well,
seatbelt, mask down, burning rod till my shirt catches flame. Clock out boots on it, red clay ground, same truck, whole different name. Luke Duke outdoors, spray painted tailgate, army cot tossed in the bed. Deer camp smoke in that Walmart cooler, chili stains on the camo spread. This ain't TV, this is Luke Duke outdoors. Rust belt knuckles on pine tree doors. Arrowheads and Morse gold dust in my pores. Come along for the wrong kind of chores. Real wildlife, Luke Duke outdoors. Flat Rock Creek catfish on a trot line, pocket full of flint, chip until my thumbs bleed. Old marbles rattling in a crown bag shrine, trade you two for a good arrow speed. Sif pants shimmer in a mud brown river, could be gold, could be beer can sand. But it says rich while his teeth all quiver. I just laugh, light a smoke, make a plan. This ain't TV, this is Luke Duke outdoors. Rust belt knuckles on pine tree doors. Arrowheads and Morse gold dust in my pores. Come along for the wrong kind of chores. Real wildlife, Luke Duke outdoors. By day I'm stacking steel, throwing sparks in a cage. By night I'm talking to raccoons like a backwoods sage. Cheap buzz humming in my busted out head. They're stealing my corn, I'm feeding them bread. Gotta lean the throne behind the camper door. Half-berry bottle in the pine needle floor. If the owl starts shouting and the wind says leave, we just stoke that fire, let the shadows breathe. This ain't TV, this is Luke Duke outdoors. Rust belt